Hey guys, it's early morning right here. We are moving again. You know. Hey, good morning. No, adios. Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon. Good evening. Depends on the place you're watching me from. My good name is Claude Joseph. And if you are new here, subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. Fine morning over here, guys. We are moving somewhere around Greenland. Maybe we'll be doing some paragliding so that we can create a small space for our storeroom, a place where we can be relaxing and doing some stuff around. And hopefully we can do what we call like what we will put up in that a small foundation. Let me see what's going on around. Anyway, I'm not alone. I'm here with Claude and the other guy. Now, introduce yourself, man.
I'm Cristiano Mpini, yeah. Claude.
They will be helping me all along to check what's going on around, you know. So in a nutshell, this is our beautiful road that we always use, man. Though despite that, it's kinda potholes and everything, but that's how it is. Village life. When you come here, this is what you expect to do around that. This is what you expect to see or around. Ooh, nice. Things are moving on well and great. Look at the sky also. The sky is telling you everything about this. And then according to the weather forecasters, those people who deal with weather, those who will tell you that today it will rain, tomorrow it won't rain, tomorrow it will be so sunny. They just say that this April we will definitely receive rain, but we will receive rain, but it will be very heavy rains. It will be very heavy rain. Heavy rains. We speak about heavy rains and heavy rains. Speak about heavy rains. Wello. The corner is very crazy, you know. So they even say that the rains will be more heavier. Sometimes also they'll be having what we call like flooding. So people have to prepare as early as now, and then they check what's going on. So you keep on enjoying, guys, the views. Look at that, man. Very nice. Look at the sky. It tells you all. You This guy is almost harvesting his maize, man. I don't know when did he plant. He was the early plant. He planted very early. Yeah, that's our horn. So you know, here you have to be very attentive. If you are not careful, then we can move on pole. Literally, people love moving around here in the village because there's a lot of things. For now, it's very clean, very clean. Despite that we are not receiving sufficient rainfall right now, but it's very green, very green. Also soon we will be burning our bricks. Soon we will be burning our bricks so that we can transport them to our dreamland. We can put up a small toilet even like this. Then the rest will be history. This guy left this place like the last time. Then at this point he started plowing it. This place. The good thing is sometimes if you want your land to be somehow fertile, you don't need to exhaust it with planting stuffs every year, every season. No. You need to be creating time about it. If this season you have planted maybe maize, next time plant beans, next time plant tuber crops, next time plant even different stuff, just like that to save your land. But there are some people who don't do that. They only know that if you plant maize is maize, so your land loses its fertility. It becomes very weak. People are building like normal business. Nature itself is telling you what's going on. Nature. Look at the nature. Hukuwezi kuishi mdogo wangu, hukuwezi kuishi. Tunazingatia nature. Tourist, life like a tourist. Shazoea nondo wewe. Sorry guys, we are here. I think this guy was here. Oh, he has already moved on. There's a certain guy who was around here, but he has gone. Moving on slowly down to the river. Safi Jomba! He's making some nursery bed for the kids again. Yeah, nice. This is what you see. The river. Now there's no sun harvesting. People have, our Porsche Cayenne always here. Hey, come on, man. Things are moving on spectaculars. Great. Which means that yesterday they were harvesting sand here a lot. There you see. Ooh, a lot of things are around, man. Kuchape hata fiekeo wewe. Yeah. So my brother Manu is opening the gate. Slowly. And then we wanna see what's going on around. So this time these guys came and left. There are some guys who are to come and help me measure a small structure here, but they came then left. Nataka tupige tu miti maganda nini? Ama tuache kwanza, tuiache kwanza. Because I was to remove the barks, guys, of these trees. but seems like they are also very turgid. They're not supposed to be just like that, so let me leave them that way. Nataka tuweke au kwa nyumba hapa hivi man. Tutoe yale mawe huko.
Yale mawe kuja hapa.
Nataka tuweke side ya juu. Mnaona aje? Pale sehemu nzuri ya kuweka kwa nyumba. What do you think? Hey. These kids came and destroyed my passion fruits. Wala la la. Ulikuwa na passion fruits nilikuwa nategemea hapa, hata jana zilikuwa. Walikuja wakavuta, wakaenda nazo. Kids are kids, but anyway, can't complain about them. So the thing is guys, we want to take those stones from there. Ni zile tu, si zingine zile. Tunaweka hii side nyingine. Tuanzie hapo tu. Want to put them, at least tuache kanafasi kadogo. So tunaweza weka tu hata hapa hivi. Because I think the house will start from the other side. This way, going the other end. So let's put these stones here so that this space can be left doing something else, guys, you know. Just pole pole. Let us deal with this and then see what's going on. Yes, you see now the stones are going off. Pole pole. So we want to put them up here all. It's a heap of hardcores. We take them up and then this space can be free a little bit. We slash it and then we see the rest what's going on around. Pole 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 pole. Then that's how things are going. So at least this place over here, you'll be able to view. It's far from the road and also it's near here where even when somebody will just be touching the materials, you hear, hey, what's up? Eh? Manu pole pole manu. You know, so slowly see our hands. Crazy. You know? When we put a small structure here, even people fear coming in. You know? Yeah. Pole pole. Just like that. Yeah guys, so today actually when you see on this other end, we'll be cutting some trees and also doing what we call like removing some of the stones from the other side. And we want to be taking them off and also removing some of the barks so that the trees can remain okay, so that also when you'll be applying some oil or some treatment, they won't get eaten by some termites and some other stuff. So also today my young brother and a friend, they will be helping me to clean here so that the other side should be very much okay. And also a long time customer, when I was doing some melons here, she paid a visit and was like, she was passing like, hey CJ, I saw you having a YouTube channel, so hi. Yes, introduce yourself.
My name is Melvin.
Melvin.
Yeah.
Okay, you have a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Let me check on it. It's Melvin. Yes, it's Melvin. Yeah, she used to buy some melons when we used to have melons around here, and also when I had a friend of mine also was farming on this other side. So we used to have a very great project of melons over here. So she used to be our customer of buying melons. Yeah, why did you decide to do YouTube?
In YouTube, I decided to do a video.
So that you can balance.
Yeah, I am balancing video. Yeah.
And business.
Okay. Yeah.
That's okay. You know, sometimes here you have to, this is where you showcase your stuffs, and you just focus on the good things that you are doing. Because sometimes, you know, people go on YouTube because they know that they want money. Yeah. But on the good thing is, like, you document what you do daily.
Yeah.
Today you have to document, maybe you want to show people how you are cooking your food for your children or for your family. You have to maybe coming from home to your grocery. Just like that, you go show them how you are buying stuff from maybe Tanzania, bringing them in Kenya. What are the prices of that? How you are doing it, maybe putting some salad, you know, just like that. How you're balancing it, the prices, maybe are you getting lows or is it making you profit, like that, slowly by slowly. Just like when you're starting, don't need to rush, like you just need to be patient. Sometimes it's just that way. Hey, don't just say, hey, I'm doing YouTube because I saw Claude doing YouTube, or I'm doing YouTube because I saw somebody else doing YouTube. You have to be always consistent, and also you have that discipline on YouTube, because you see, hey, if today maybe I'm selling my stuff, or I'm documenting my things and they're not going okay, let me talk ill about Claude. Hey, acha nitukane Claude leo. At least video itaenda, ama let me just try to talk ill about him so that stuff can go on. No, it's not supposed to be just like that. Every video has its own consequences and every video has its own gains. Leo unaweza weka video na ikusurprise, like you get more subscribers and less views, or you get less views, more subscribers, you see. So it's always, you have to be consistent on what you are doing, and at least keep up the good work. With me, sometimes, you know, most people avoid young creators, but with me I thrive with them. I tell them, because I know I was once in that situation. So it's good with me. When I was growing up, sikuwa na mtu hata kunishikilia karibu, like, oh, CJ do this, CJ do this. But I thank God that at least right now we are having like 100 plus YouTubers all along. Today, if maybe I'm failing, somebody else I can go to somebody else and say, hey man, I need maybe 2 or 3 subscribers from you. Let us do a collab, and maybe let's give me a shout out. And that's going on. So you keep up the good work. I want to continue with doing this because I want to put some shade here. You see, like now you are being heated by sun. So I want to put a shade at least. Mnaweza kuwa mnakuja hata mnapumzika kidogo kidogo. Yeah, so for now, that's it guys. Show some love to her. It's Melvin. Subscribe, at least you get even to 500 subscribers, and the rest now she can keep up moving around. Pole. Yes. All right, Melvin. Nice. Okay.
Thank you.
So yes, my brother Manu is driving, or is riding the motorbike. We decided to come back home, quench dust, and also maybe have something else. And also the funny thing is my phone went off. So let's go back. We do some little slashing. Just little slashing, then we wait. See how stuffs are going. This is how you see our beautiful roads again. So let's proceed back. There's a church here. The church under construction. The young boys doing their own stuff. Hiya! Things moving on. It wants to rain. Look at the sky. No, nataka tutazikusanya. Zirushe tu hata juu ya hata hapa. Hata juu ya Guys, you see my brother Manu and a friend also. They are helping, so we want to just slash this place. I'll make some good cuttings of this so that we can create a bench here. Even if you put these stuffs on the up here, it'd be better. On top of the stones. I want them to dry. So there were some stones that were here. We cleared them all that were here. We just decided to take them all. And then we will slash here. So definitely we are looking forward to make a small storeroom. Wait. Hey, this guy wants to come straight. Wait. The gate will be swayed like woo. He wants to come in. Okay, come. Okay. Fast. Kata huko. Nyosha sasa. Have a crazy brother. Yeah? No, also the car usually passes here and comes here. So turn rivers you park well. Yeah? But it's okay, man. It's a blessing for you coming in with the car. Eh? You know when you'll park there, there's some trucks that come there right now at this hour. Just park away that you not feel the sun. Yeah? Yes, because of the sun. Park this way. You know? Ah, nice.
Are you building?
Huh?
Are you building?
Not yet, bro.
I'm seeing you like yo.
I'm trying to do...
Trees and...
I want to put up a small mud house for security purposes. Yeah. Hey, man.
Hey,
Ngolebe. Ngolebe. Ngolebe.
Hey.
Yes.
Guys, this is Goit J.
Mhm.
I just came to visit, to pay a visit. Because yesterday he been here.
Yeah.
Today
I was here.
he was here from morning.
Yeah.
So I went at home and then I found like they were coming here. Then I was like, okay, maybe I may go to see what is going on over there.
Yeah, for
So
sure.
at least I just came to confirm, you know.
Thank you, man. Nothing much is going on, but we are trusting the process. You know, like the other day I was really struggling with these trees. You know, when you have these kind of trees, again I'll add some, but this one will be used maybe to make some what you call like trusses. You know the trusses, the ones that you make a house that where the
The one which goes on top.
yes.
Oh, okay.
So the trusses, then I will just come with maybe like 20 poles. Then start. I want to put a small structure down here. Yeah. So here, in the morning, we were shifting the maize. Remember, not maize, the stones. You remember there were a lot of stones down there.
Oh, that side.
Yeah, the other side. So we were.
You remove you want to build it over there.
Yeah, because there it's good, right?
Yeah.
There, even if when I'll be building a home here, that one can even remain there. You know, yeah. But the moment you just build maybe up there, it will be crazy. Up there is when now you are here. You know? Yeah. Because if you put up
there is nearby the road.
nearby the road,
Everyone is going to know you are around.
you are around now. Yeah. But the moment you are here, and then
if you are here or you are not there,
no one will realize, and it's very hard also for someone to come and trespass there. And also it's also very well to be put there, because even in the evening or a time like now, when you're having a bench, because also I'm planning to put a small bench around here where you'll be sitting, very good shade and a tree.
Especially evening one.
Yeah. So, and also my friends and brother, they were like, man, you're not going to do this alone. Let's go. And also, you know, they have closed school, so they at least they're getting something when they'll be by the end of the day. So when the school opens, sometimes they'll be having something to chew for breakfast.
Yeah, not even that, like even to buy a pen.
Even to buy a pen,
I
yeah.
remember when I used to go to school, when I get something like to keep me busy, at least I will say like, oh man,
Yeah.
this month I'm going to have money to pay for, you know,
Yeah.
buy the pen for myself.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so this one is a really big, huge, like,
Huge.
thing,
Yeah. Absolutely. You know, even my brother understands and he knows very well. When we used to go to school, I could not demand even for pocket money and everything. I could, the moment we have closed school this way,
You work hard.
we work hard, man. Mijengo, like you go.
You get a chance, you know. Sometimes he was still young, you don't get that job. But for him, he looks bigger.
He looks bigger, yeah.
He looks more, you know, energetic. So someone can trust him and give him a job.
Yeah, I remember the time that we used to be denied the job. Mtoto wa shule.
Especially when you are short.
Mtoto wa shule.
If you are very short,
Yeah, they tell you, no, you are a school.
they will feel direct. You know, for him now he can lie to someone.
Yeah,
like,
that I'm
man.
finished school. And
Yeah,
also, you know, also the system for now, the school system for now,
They teach them to work.
they teach them to work. You might not know where the child will fall. He can
Yeah,
be a
yeah.
mason, he can be a plumber. So sometimes the engineers don't deny them. But when our time, Man, no, you are the mwanafunzi. You are the
I told
student.
them don't go to work somewhere.
Yeah.
No one will give you.
No one will give you work.
They don't give you.
Yeah. So like now, you see now the stones are a lot, but still we need more. You know, this one sometimes even if you'll be putting up a house, still the engineer will be telling you, you know, your land is slanting. We need to do backfilling.
Yeah, especially here.
It will eat a lot of stones.
And here the stones are going. Oh, this one is not really enough.
Yeah.
You see them.
Yeah.
Yeah, even the sand is not really enough.
It's not really enough.
You have tried. These materials is a lot.
Yeah, it's not easy, bro. Pole pole.
Yeah, actually for the foundation, maybe in the future when you get the money for foundation, you can just start a foundation.
Yeah, just starting a foundation and then
First you got to put the stone.
pole pole. With no hurry, no hurry. So
Not much hurry.
yeah.
Walking around,
Mm-hmm.
also have to carry all this.
Oh, you remove. They slash and then you remove.
I want to put some up here because up here there's some stones and they won't be drying up a lot.
You don't think maybe there is some snake inside?
They might not. As it akosa. Even in the morning when we were working there, we found a small little snake.
Oh, okay.
Small, a baby snake. So definitely, which means maybe
There is a bigger one.
maybe there's a bigger one. But everywhere, the moment the materials are stagnant for long,
Yeah, you'll find some
there
stuff
there
inside.
must be-
Yeah.
there must be, you know.
So you may find there is some snakes inside.
Not a lot, but
Yeah, there is not too much, but they are there.
hey,
Oh, what is going on?
no,
Oh, that is stone.
yeah, this stone. So I want to carry it up here.
Yeah, just remove it.
There are also some there. You know, the moment you slash here,
Uh-huh.
hey,
What is going on? Oh, bro.
it was just a lizard.
Yeah, there is a.
Hey, I thought it's a snake.
This guy is really afraid of snake.
Bro, that's a crazy stuff.
You know, if I see snake running, I can catch it.
Come on, man, really?
Yeah, I can't catch the head though, but the tail I can catch and then throw it away.
Hey, bro. Me, I fear.
You didn't saw me carrying a snake on somewhere.
In Mamba village.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, me, I can't try that, bro. I can carry a crocodile, but not
For me, I do like to be daring after I see someone did something.
Aye.
And when I try once, actually I've been not fearing snake ever since. I use it to hold a snake.
Hey, me, man. To be honest, I can kill it with a lot of fear,
Mm.
but I cannot.
Yeah, to kill it you have to.
Huh?
To kill it you have to.
Yeah, I have, like when I'm fearing,
Huh.
I'm the worst guy.
But for me, it cannot enter somewhere in my house while I'm seeing it. I'm seeing the tail going inside.
You touch
I will, immediately. You hold the tail, I will remove it like heavily.
from home.
Aye, from inside, direct. Yes, with a lot of fear, but I will. Not a lot, but because I don't know whether it's the venom one, you know.
Venomous.
Yeah, but you know, I have known those one which looks like the green one.
The ones that are venomous and the ones that are not venomous.
Yeah, I know a little bit of them. Not every snake.
Put them.
But these stones, they are a lot. Though.
They are not here.
If you are not building a very massive house,
There's some.
oh, what is that?
Oh, they are not yet.
Oh, they were trying to make some honey.
Some honey.
I think they made first, but it
They
have
eat.
gone.
Yeah.
Mm.
You know, sometimes they can make and then they eat.
Yeah, they do.
So let me remove them here. I put somewhere. Yeah.
Oh, it's not easy, right?
Just like that one. Good boom.
Mm.
Hey,
Sorry. This guy is very afraid of the stuff here.
man.
Huh?
They're my animals, but now.
Manu, are you the same?
Hey, man is not afraid. Man is a courageous man.
You know the young people, because they are not yet saw someone being eaten by something,
Hey.
they are not going to be fear a lot.
Man is the one who killed that small snake.
Hmm. Where is it?
Man. It's there.
Oh. Ah, that one was too small. Oh, guys, this thing.
I ran.
Ah, this one. No, this one I can do like this. Eh?
There was another one that was there.
Oh, the bigger one.
Yeah, but not the big, not too big.
Ah.
But it ran away. Then we got that. You see, there's some eggs here. I think those are for the lizard.
Oh, this one. Ah, you may find there for the reason. This one may be for the reason. Or maybe a snake. I don't know.
No, those are for the lizard. The snake one are big.
They may be. It depends on which type of.
You need like these ones.
So, do you think your how the small structure we put here will not have some snake?
No,
Hmm.
because them like you see,
Uh-huh.
I'll just go bring oil.
Mm-hmm.
The oil that we have taken from the
Motorbike.
motorbike, car.
Mm-hmm.
You come, you pour it around.
Mm-hmm.
When you pour it around,
Mm.
the snake can't dare coming there.
There is also some type of trees. Also tobacco.
Tobacco?
Yeah. The older one. You know the there is a tobacco which is a local one.
Yeah.
Not this one they are planting. They sell outside.
Okay.
The local ones. If you plant it somewhere here, no snake.
But this one, at least like, it's not that big snake. They're not that much venomous. But they just came in because of
Tell this guy. He's saying he's not much venom.
and you know the funny thing is,
Guys, he's saying you're not very venomous.
they're not venomous.
You know the small snake, when it bites you, it's better to be bitten by the bigger one.
Really?
Oh, my friend, you don't know. You don't know.
But here there's no.
I have an experience actually from my sister. I was bitten by snakes twice.
Come on, man.
Twice. And when there is this other stone, this magic stone they put for...
On where you are being beaten. And then
Yeah.
It sucks the poison.
Yeah, when you have that one, now snake, it get you where you are passing. They will land on you, bro.
Remember I bought those stones when we were traveling in Namibia?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I have them at home.
Oh, you have?
So the moment I'll be beaten, it's a black stone, you just put it there.
Mm. You use how they call it, laser?
Laser, yeah, you cut.
Yeah, you cut and then you put. It catch itself until they finish to suck all that.
When the venomous is off, it drops down.
It drops down. But if you pass where there is a snake, we run on you.
Oh,
Yeah.
how? The snake will bite on
Is that it calls snake too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
When
You
you
be
have
careful, you don't have to roam around in the bushes when you have it on your leg.
Oh, so it attracts.
Yeah, I remember my sister. Oh, it landed. There is another snake was landing on her like badly.
Oi. Eka tu huko kwa zile.
Yeah, you know. So I think it attracts maybe sometime though.
Ah, yeah. But so this place, actually, you know, a small structure like the one that we built the other time.
Oh, like the one for Mabati.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Because mabati are expensive.
You will use this.
I'll use maybe mud.
But still you can make it okay.
Yeah.
The Mabati one also is not good here, you know. I can't advise that.
Why?
Yeah, the Mabati one, you know, it's not really looks stronger, you know, even you. Yeah. That is something someone can come and remove one and then enter.
Oh,
Yeah, but if you make
Are you hunting snakes, bro?
yeah.
This guy is hunting snakes. But definitely, this area, that's why you see that there are a lot of stones here. And it was just one truck.
Oh.
One truck. But
So
that guy who used to bring us those stones,
so
his truck got spoiled. Yeah.
So this house will have like a room or
Yeah, it will be a house. It's a structure, one structure, and then it will, from here to there, and then on the other side it will be having one place for store, one place for a person to
where you can sleep. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah. and then maybe later on I'll put like a small structure like a gazebo out
Mm-hmm.
there.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, when we come with friends,
Mm-hmm.
want to sit and relax. Or also this place has a good network.
Yeah, true. I realize even for Airtel, it's very
You
good
can
one.
come and upload videos from
Mm.
this place. Just pole as we make some plans of maybe now putting up a foundation and building a home.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, pole guys. Here now, that's why you see. Have you seen a lot of vegetables? We have planted a lot of vegetables. One here.
Where? Oh, yeah.
We have a lot of vegetables.
Yeah, you are, I think this time around you planted a
So
lot.
this side all the way to the other end is skumawiki.
Mm-hmm.
And right here, when I'll be here, I'll be putting here black nightshade,
Oh,
managu.
okay.
One for watermelon. Another one will put up kunde, the cowpeas.
Okay.
And the rest will put up what we call like saga.
Oh,
Yeah, so the moment you are staying here,
at least you can look up to them.
yeah,
You can take care of
around.
them too.
Like now when I'm not around.
Are they still selling the land down there? Or
Yeah,
they do?
yeah, they do.
They sell the land there?
Yeah, but the funny thing is, it's the river. I'm planning to put fish ponds when they are be having a retire home here.
Oh, they are selling up to down there.
Up to down there,
Yeah, okay.
That's a good place, man. You have no idea. Here there's a river.
Yeah, this is a very good place
Put
though.
some orchard down
If
there.
they sell on the other side, once you
So
get
there's
money,
a
you can
land-
do that.
there's land that is being sold right there. You see where there's smoke?
Uh-huh.
The land, the owner is planning. And
The one which is like a field.
yes.
Oh,
Also they were,
it's bigger one.
it's bigger.
How much are they selling?
I'm not quite sure. Sometimes somebody can tell you this kind of price, and when somebody goes there, you tell them another price. So it's good you meet the owner,
You ask.
you ask. And also there's land,
Mm-hmm.
just not very far,
Uh-huh.
but not very far. From this land, there's another one up there.
Then that one, maybe the other one.
It's 100 by 100.
Oh.
Yeah, so that one, there was somebody who wanted to buy it.
Mm-hmm.
There was somebody who wanted to buy it. Then we negotiated with the owner. The owner was like now waiting for the money.
Mm-hmm.
And then the person who was willing to buy it got an accident. Her car got an accident. And then she was like, okay, let's wait and see what's going on. But the guy still
It is still on the market.
on the market, yeah.
Okay. Oh, if I would have money, I would buy a land. I really want to buy a land and plant maybe trees in the future. Let me work hard.
Work hard, bro.
Yeah, let me work hard now.
For now, the biggest investment is land.
Yeah, true.
It will not depend.
If you can't manage to buy apartment in the city and maybe be making money from it,
Yeah.
it's better you buy this other small one. Yeah. Because on apartment.
Experience of, like, I know very well.
Mm-hmm.
I know very well that I've seen people making it over here with land.
Yeah, of course.
Somebody bought land long time ago, less than 100,000.
Now they are selling it $1 million.
Less than $1,000.
Mm.
Less than $1,000.
Mm-hmm.
And now they've sold that land over $30,000. Over $30,000.
Mm-hmm.
That was over 3 million.
Yeah,
Land that
around is a very good investment.
So in just few years, not
Mm.
even more than even 10 years, less than 10 years.
Yeah.
So like for me, if I'm willing to sell this land, don't think that I'll sell it the same
No,
price that I
no, it
bought.
have already increased the price.
But now there's people around here have YouTube.
Not like cars. Yeah, this side is
Now
expensive, I'm
YouTubers
sure.
have bought land and they've made the sellers wild.
They believe it's expensive. They have hyped the
They
price.
have hyped the price like no man.
Mm-hmm.
Those days back, somebody used to come and buy land and less than 100,000.
It was cheaper.
It was cheaper. Like in 2 years, not in 2 years, but the land here has increased in less than 2 years. Yeah, since 2024,
Mm-hmm.
2024, 2025, 2026,
Mm.
land is so different. Like people opened up like so land that you used.
Now
to
it's
buy, like,
expensive. Like,
yeah,
oh,
it's expensive. Since people started building around buying land. Oh.
Now YouTubers paying enough money. YouTubers,
bro.
some YouTubers also showing off.
But you know the good thing is, sometimes it's good also. Why?
Still, this side is a good side, actually.
Like, why? Because sometimes you have also to determine and see. You have to give somebody money that will help him or her. You know, there's no need of you pressing somebody with less money, and you're going to have something that is appreciated. So sometimes it's not bad. It's good because also it boosts the economy.
That is true.
Yeah.
That is true.
So the good thing is that really shows that the worthiness of land.
Oh, that is true. That is true. Oh, I think someone is calling you.
Somebody's calling. Yeah, so guys, we are almost done with this, and as you see, everything has been cleared, so the space has remained void. The only thing is maybe tomorrow, probably tomorrow or on a Thursday, I come up with a fundi, then we start putting up around here, so we can start putting up the poles, and just through that we can be having our own good time around here. You know, if you come, maybe you're like, oh, come, you can even come from this side. You can put up here some pots of water, because right now if you are on this farm and you ask for water, where will you get that water from? No water right now. If you want food, no food here, not unless there's what you see like kales around, all around. But one thing that really makes me happy is how things are coming along nicely. Our veggies are really doing okay, and our maize also is coming along nicely. I wish I knew I planted these trees earlier. I wish I planted these trees earlier. See, like this one, the one that I planted when I just bought land, it has really grown. It has really grown. It has really grown. This place, it has internal, what we call like internal erosion. When it was raining too much, this place used to have water that wash away towards the river down here. But for now, very much grateful that everything is cool and it's clear. Very evident that this place is very fertile. So the only thing that is remaining for me to bring what we call like fertilizer, apply it over here, and all will be well. So you see down here, this guy who was planting here, he has planted sorghum, and also the maize are doing well, better, you know. But for now, this is what you see. At least people will be respecting this place. They will not be trespassing, coming, stealing some hills. Somebody is stealing some sugar cane here. You know, the owner is not around, so people take that advantage. They dash in and then they start eating sugar cane, which are not, they don't belong to them. They belong to them. Something like that. So also I'm planning to put here, maybe some days when we'll be having a good time, financially stable, we can put a toilet. We can start digging a toilet from this point. So when you dig a toilet down here, so you can come from that place, come take shower here. Yeah. And the good thing is also the bananas really doing good, pretty well. Okay, are doing pretty well. The bananas. Kales are doing okay. They are showing up a very nice sign of what is going on. Yeah. So definitely, guys, keep on praying for your boy CJ around here. You know, we are really trying as much as we can to work pole and do what we can and deal from what we can do all along. Eh? Manu wanna say goodbye.
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 Yeah. Now it's time for payment. Hey, you people.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Claude Joseph YouTube channel. If you're new there, subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment. This is Manu Claude. I'm here at Nyamwini, Claude Joseph's land. So we were cleaning down there. In the morning, we were moving stones from the other side to the upper to the main place where there's many stones. So we went home to take a little rest. And we came back.
All right.
Yeah. So now we have finished. You can go check me out at Manu Cloud there at YouTube. My name is Manu Cloud. Road to 2K subscribers, 4,000 views.
All right, man. Also, I'm here with a young man. The Cristiano.
Yeah.
Say something, Cristiano.
I'm Cristiano Mru.
Yeah,
Here
Cristiano.
at Joseph Claude's land, trying to clean, and now we are done.
All right, man. This is Mr. Cristiano, Mr. Bonventure, you know, and also, and also I was here with go with Jay, man. What are you watching, man?
Man, I'm online.
Hey, you're online.
Yeah.
How do you feel this place? How is it?
This place is nice. Good network. Yeah, I need to look for money so that you can look for me around here.
Yeah.
We just
Come you stay here.
in your place.
Yeah, come you stay here. Why are you asking my place? It's your place too. Yeah, you stay here. You see, like, because of network, you stay here forever.
This place is nice. Yeah, I like it because of network. My
And-
place doesn't have a network.
And also the nature, you know, also when sitting here,
Yeah, a lot of trees around.
lot of trees around.
Oh my God.
yeah,
Yeah, this place is amazing. And all the roads to enter over here, they are well maintained.
yeah,
Yeah, they do maintain them very well. When you want to go to the border, you use all the roads you can use from here. They are well maintained, and they maintain. They work on them every time.
yeah.
So for you, you are in a very best
Strategic place.
Yeah,
I thank God for that, guys. So
Yeah,
please check him out.
I think it was very cheap for you to buy here.
Huh? It was very cheap.
That time was it cheaper.
Never,
And
bro.
now.
It wasn't cheaper.
It's not the same as now.
Actually, yeah. But that time it was kind of cheaper. I can
Yeah,
say so.
not like now.
Yeah,
Right now
not like-
this land is million maybe. Yeah, you will be told millions of money, of course. This I'm sure is a 200 meters by maybe
100.
by 100
Yeah.
around there. So
Yeah.
which means like 100 by 100
Yeah.
twice.
Twice, yeah.
So imagine 100 by 100 by oh bro.
At your home, bro.
Of course, if you sell right now, you can make money too.
For now, right? But I want to sell it, man. I want to build, bro. If I sell it, I'll become stupid. I don't know if I'll just ever buy land again.
No, you better
Yeah.
build it.
I better build on
better
it.
Try, even if you can't.
Yeah, we have
Try
to
small,
pole
small.
pole, yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. We are ending this video here. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment. It's your boy here, CJ. Just trying to create some stuff around here, and all will be well, guys. So thank you so much. Subscribe if you're new, like, share, and leave us a comment. And bye for now. Bye.